There's a lot happening with OpenAI and ChatGPT. The GPT Store just opened up and they're rolling it out. To check it out, log into your ChatGPT account, click on Explore GPTs, and you'll see featured and trending GPTs. OpenAI will showcase specific ones each week. If you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you'll likely get access by the end of the week. The store has different categories like productivity, research, programming, and more. You can even create your own GPT and upload it to the store. They're also introducing a GPT Builder Revenue program in Q1, where top GPT creators get paid based on user engagement. It's not about selling GPTs, more like sharing revenue based on usage. They're keeping it simple, which is cool. And there's ChatGPT for Teams now with a larger context window. It costs $25 per user per month, billed annually with added features like advanced data analysis. OpenAI is also addressing a memory feature, allowing your GPT to learn and remember from past conversations. Check out the GPTs OpenAI created. They've got specific ones for different stuff like writing, productivity, programming, and more. Loads of categories. You can easily navigate through them with a quick access menu. Also, you can search for public GPTs. For example, I tried searching for YouTube-related GPTs and found video summarizers, SEO generators, alpha notes, and more. One thing to note though, making GPTs is straightforward. If you've got a cool idea, others can easily create something similar. Just give it a prompt and boom, you've got a GPT doing what you want. GPTs become super powerful when companies sync them with their own APIs. Many software companies have APIs like Uber, OpenTable, Google Calendar, and Zapier. They can create custom GPTs linked to these APIs for seamless communication. That's a game changer. Also, with GPTs, you can upload files to build your own knowledge base for conversations. Companies with exclusive data in their knowledge base will be super valuable since others can't copy those GPTs. Quick deets about the GPT Store. They drop new GPTs every week. You can add your own by saving it for everyone, but there's a review process, automated and human. If it doesn't meet the terms, no entry to the store. Simple as that. So, how do you cash in on GPTs? OpenAI's got a plan. They're rolling out a GPT Builder Revenue program in Q1. If your GPT rocks and people use it a ton, you get a cut. No fancy App Store model here. It's more like Twitter or Spotify. OpenAI collects the user fees, and if your GPT's popular, you get a share. But let's be real, making big bucks isn't a given. Your GPT needs to be top-notch, maybe even tied to your own APIs. Most won't rake in tons of cash, so stand out or stay average. That's the deal. Here's another cool thing from OpenAI ChatGPT for Teams. It gives you a larger 32,000 context window. They mentioned 120,000 window for GPT-4 Turbo at Dev Day, but that's future talk. Teams get the 32,000 window for now. ChatGPT Teams also has higher message limits on DALL-E 3, GPT-4 with vision browsing, and advanced data analysis, used to be called Code Interpreter. It won't snoop on your business data or chats. Plus, there's a secure workspace for your team, making collaboration a breeze. Setting up a team plan is easy. Log in, hit the bottom left, upgrade your plan. There's a Plus plan and a Team plan for $25 per user per month, but it's billed yearly, minimum 2 users. So, $25 a month per user, $50 a month total, and $600 annually for the team upgrade. Linus tweeted about ChatGPT getting a memory boost. I can't find it in my OpenAI account yet, but it seems like a cool upgrade is coming. Linus shared a screenshot saying now your GPT can learn from your chats, remember stuff, and improve over time. It's like a smart memory upgrade. I checked my settings and I don't see the memory thing yet, but it's exciting. Long chats with ChatGPT won't make it forget earlier stuff anymore. They're fixing that with a new rollout. Oh, and if you're into creating custom GPTs, here's a tip. In your settings, hit Builder Profile. You can get credit for your GPT in the store by sharing your name and adding a domain. Even if you're not cashing in, it might pull in some traffic to your website. So, keep it in mind. Now let's talk about OpenAI and the New York Times lawsuit. OpenAI clarified that the training used was fair use, and they're fixing a rare bug causing content reposting. They claim the Times manipulated prompts for verbatim results. My take? The lawsuit seems shaky. It's got more weight than others, but the training was fair use. The Times prompted it oddly. Subscribe if you want more AI news and check out future tools. And make sure you go and watch this video, it's a good one. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.